Welcome back to the CP Art channel. If you're new here, my name is Justin, and in this video, I'm going to be making a double glass painting of Spider-Man from the new movie No Way Home. I tried painting on glass for the very first time on the channel not too long ago. I painted a scene from my favorite anime, Howl's Moving Castle, and I really liked the results. I wanted to try it again with Spider-Man, but this time with 2 pieces of glass to give it some added depth. Once I had the design drawn out in Procreate, I went ahead and transferred that onto a piece of paper. So I could go ahead and transfer it onto a piece of glass using a Sharpie oil-based pen. If you want to check out any of the art supplies that I use in this video, you can check out the video description. I'll put links to all the art supplies used in the video description below. With the outline complete, I'm going to go ahead and add some color using some Liquitex acrylic paints. I found that getting gradients is really tricky with the glass painting because everything that you put down first is going to be seen on the glass, and then when you put stuff behind it, it causes streaks and muddy color. So I found by putting thin layers, it kind of gives me a little bit more ability to add different colors behind it and then come back in with lighter colors or darker colors, make it either a highlight or a low light. Since all the paint that I'm using is acrylic and it has a tendency to bubble, sometimes peel, I found that going really light and then letting it completely dry and then coming over with a thicker layer really helps with any of these problems. Once I finished the paintings and let them completely dry, I went ahead and put it into this really cool floating glass frame. Thanks so much for watching my Spider-Man double glass painting. I really enjoyed making this, and I hope you enjoyed watching the process. If you do have any other questions or comments, you can let me know in the comment section below. If you're interested in getting into painting on glass, make sure to check out my first glass painting video that I made on the channel a little while back. I painted a scene from one of my favorite anime films, Howl's Moving Castle. In that video, I show step by step how to paint on glass, as well as some tips and tricks and things to avoid to get the best results from painting on glass. And in the future, I definitely want to make some more glass paintings, maybe even with more layers of glass. So if you have any ideas of what you'd like to see painted on glass, you can also let me know in the comment section. Thanks again for checking out the video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on post notifications for when I post my newest videos. And until next time, peace.